Hey guys! For this fourth episode of our South Korea travel vlog, we're exploring Seoul with a mix of Ukay-Ukay shopping, delicious K-pop food, and some awesome sight around the Gangnam and a beautiful Banpo Bridge. So guys, stick around for the silent disco by the Han River at the end. This is going to be an epic episode. So let's go! Hi guys! Good morning! So it's Gangnam Day today. Nakalabas na tayo ng ating hotel. Apparently may mga ganito dito o kayan. So bago tayo pumunta ng Gangnam, mamili muna tayo. So tara, samahan nyo ako mag-ikot dito sa parang ukay-ukay nila. No, kasi it's Sunday today, feeling ko kaya madami ring naglabasan na ganito sa area. So good deal kasi makakabili tayo ng mga OOTD natin na pwede natin gamitin sa mga susunod natin na travel, upcoming travels natin. Lalo na pa winter na. Tara, samahan nyo muna ako. Tara, ukay tayo. The street around our hotel during Sunday transformed into a flea market with an awesome ukay-ukay section. Here, you can find shoes, bags, jackets, and clothes at unbeatable prices for as low as 1,000 won or 40 to 50 pesos. Ayun no, look, 1,000 won lang yun. Guys, so pang Japan, 10,000 won. So that's 400 for mga ganun, 500 pesos. Diba pang Japan natin? So, bili na natin to. Ito pa guys, so bibiling ko na din to, 10,000 lang din. Para siyang raincoat pero jacket, may hood na siya. Ang ganda. Eh, list pa yung brand niya. Oh, may tag pa.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, grabe na budol tayo. Paglabas pa lang ng hotel natin, nakabili na tayo ng mga puffer jackets. And 3 jackets yung nabili natin worth 60,000 won. So comment down below ha guys kung feeling nyo tipid na yun. Kasi feeling ko namamahalan pa ako doon as a tipid person. So ibalik muna natin to bago tayo maggala. Balik natin muna sa hotel. Grabe, napakadaming ukayan dito around the hotel. Look. So magagamit naman natin to when we go to Japan. Or pwede ko din to ibenta after pag nagamit ko siya. After our Ukay-Ukay gaming, it's time to head to Gangnam. Gangnam is like the Makati or BGC of Seoul, where the highest concentration of wealth in Seoul, having the greatest portion of the high-income earners lives in here. We're here in Gangnam to visit the Coex Mall, one of the largest underground shopping complexes in Asia, and the famous Starfield Library. This library is free to visit, and it's so beautiful. Even if you're not a bookworm, the aesthetic are unreal. Grab a book, take some photos, or just sit and enjoy the space. Nagutom na ba kayo doon? Tara, lunch na tayo! Every army is probably familiar with this restaurant as the BTS members came here often during their training years. Yujong Sikdang is a delicious Korean restaurant located in the heart of Gangnam. Every single corner of this restaurant is full of BTS. You'll see the members' faces on the walls, water dispensers, clocks, even on the ceiling. Their most recommended menu is the bibimbap, which is a stir-fried pork, and I recommend trying this menu. After a delicious lunch, we're heading over to Banpo Bridge. This is a great place to chill, especially if you're here for the Rainbow Fountain Show. Banpo Bridge offers some stunning views, and during the day, it's a nice spot to relax by the river. You can rent a bike here and stroll around the area. Some families and couples were here to do picnics and have some drinks. It's a great way to watch the sunset in the city. Wala kang dalang baon? Don't worry! May mga binibentang mga pagkain dito. There are many food stalls here to sell some Korean foods like chicken and beer, samgyeopsal, and different Western cuisines like pizza, pasta, waffles, and ice cream for affordable prices. Once you buy your food here, they will lend you a utensils that you can use. Just bring it back after use. Aside from the food, there are also selling some anik-aniks, toys for the kids to enjoy, and souvenirs and other accessories for reasonable prices. No mattresses? I got you! Under the bridge, there are available bean bags and mini tents where you can take a nap and relax. Alright, it's time for the party! A silent disco by the Han River. Grab your headphones and let's go! The silent disco is such a unique experience. You can rent our headphones for as low as 9,000 won. Everyone's dancing to their own beat, but we're all in sync with the energy at night. This is a definitely must do if you're visiting Gangnam. That's wrap up our day here in Gangnam. From thrift shopping to exploring Gangnam, delicious food, and dancing at the silent disco. See you in the next episode! Welcome to Naver Island!